Ang daming hindi maka-move on sa Buendia versus Hilpuyat Avenue issue. May nagsasabi pa nga na hindi dapat pinalitan yung pangalan kasi mas kilala yung Buendia. May ganung phenomenon naman talaga. Yung generation ng lolo ko, ang tawag sa EDSA ay Highway 54. Ang mama ko na laking tondo, ang tawag sa Rizal Avenue ay Avenida. Yung clinic ng lolo kong dentista ay nasa Pritil daw. Pero nung lumalaki ako, hindi ko mahanap yung Pritil sa mapa. Meron talagang mga hindi maka-move on. Adoption sometimes takes a generation or two. There is another interesting phenomenon that applies to Sumulong Highway naman. Supposedly, pinangalan yung daan kay Juan Sumulong, who was a politician from Antipolo in the early 1900s. Pero alam nyo ba na never formally pinangalan yung highway after him? As in, walang ordinance o batas. You can Google that. Ang formal name ng highway ay Antipolo Victoria Valley Marikina Road. Antipolo Victoria Valley Marikina Road. Ang nangyari, yung endonym o pangalang binigay ng mga locals ay na-adapt as an exonym ng mga hindi taga roon. Sige nga, go to the comment section and impress me with fascinating trivia about old and new names of Philippine roads. Kwentuhan tayo doon. O, diba?
Meow meow.